This railing profile is American vertical cable by Keylink. There's a nice flat top to it. Works with 2.5-inch posts, which are not included. Has stainless steel infill as well as stainless steel vertical support, and is rated up to 2 feet on center with each of those vertical supports. Brackets are typical for Keylink. They are an exterior mounted bracket that self-centers on the post. Bracket kits are included, a 4-pack, 2 bottom and 2 top. Top and bottom rail and infill is also included in the vertical cable rail kits, American vertical cable rail kits, and is available in black texture, which is what you see here. Is also available in bronze texture and matte white,